Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Prime Minister Modi inaugurates Diamond Jubilee celebrations of CBI in New Delhi and inaugurates the permanent office of CBI at Mawdyangdyang. Indira Gandhi National Open University today held the 36th convocation at IGNOU Shillong Centre. Waiting for a response from the state government on the problems faced by the border residents, says Charles Marngar. And King of Bhutan, Jigme Khesar Namgyel Wangchuk, to embark on a 3-day visit to India. And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that there is no dearth of political will to fight against corruption in the country under the present government today. Speaking at the Diamond Jubilee celebrations of the Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI in New Delhi, the Prime Minister said that after 2014, the government's first responsibility was to build trust in the system, and therefore action against anonymous property and black money was taken in mission mode. He added that corrupt practices had ruined the basis of our economy and banking system in the period before 2014. The Prime Minister said that the present government is working in action mode against the hoarders of black money and the root causes of the corruption. As part of the Diamond Jubilee celebrations of the Central Bureau of Investigation CBI, Prime Minister also inaugurated the newly constructed offices complex of CBI at Mawdyangdyang Shillong through video conferencing.
के इंसाफ एक ब्रांड के रूप में सीबीआई हर जुबान पर है.
Today, 1,319 students were conferred degrees by the Governor of Meghalaya, Phagu Chauhan, in the presence of Dr. Rahul Bhattacharjee, Regional Director IGNOU, and BDR Tiwari, Special Guest of Honour. Speaking at the occasion, the Regional Director IGNOU, Dr. Rahul Bhattacharjee, informed that out of 1,319, 334 are from Bachelor of Arts, 9 from BCom, 37 from Education, 8 from Library Information Science, 623 from MA program and from the postgraduate. Addressing the gathering, Governor of Meghalaya, Phagu Chauhan, said it gives him happiness and pleasure to be part of the convocation day of IGNOU, who not only serves students to achieve their dreams in India, but with the broad branches, it helps students universally. He congratulates and wishes all of them who have proven that despite hardship in various fields, they have come with flying colors in academic studies.
समर्पण का परिणाम है, इसलिए आप बधाई के पात्र हैं. वास्तव में आप सभी के लिए उतना ही गर्व और सुखद अनुभूत का क्षण है जितना कि यह आपके अकादमिक काउंसलर, गाइडों, शिक्षार्थी, सहायता केंद्रों के पदाधिकारियों के परिवार और माता पिता के लिए उच्च शिक्षा के लिए आपकी.
The issues that the farmers face, especially in the border areas, are the main concern of the newly elected member from Mauhati. Speaking to media person, Charles Marngar said that he had taken up the issue in the recently concluded budget session of the Assembly on the issue of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council KAAC of Assam collecting taxes from vehicles carrying broomsticks in areas belonging to Meghalaya, wherein the Chief Minister Conrad Sangma assured that he would take up the issue with his counterpart. He further said that he is waiting waiting for a response whether the state government takes up the problems faced by the border residents. He also said that he has met the Chief Executive Member CEM of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Tita Starwell Kine, who assured him that he will write to the KAAC counterpart.
Nakaliang jong CM jongi na ay assurance ba npa ya kibreu jong forest department jong district council ka jongi banlet ya kiti jaka kisau santli ki jaka kiba tani ka karbi anglong autonomous council ka bu ikini ki gates ban krong khajna ka ba ki ai kriten jaru mahaldar te nakaliang ka jonga nga abi kata ngan pet ke ai ka bami nanta pi lada ni penslam ya ka jing kran ka jing krong khajna kaya managsi Jalada kaya gajeng krong kajana managasngi ipai ba jongi bapli kumangaong kawai keman rapi op kador baki haban siu kajana kalapoy kasana jar deklade gajeng ga kraw yaki nongrap ke jongi.
IIM Shillong hosted its 14th annual convocation on Sunday, with 5 doctoral scholars conferred PhD degree, whereas 238 students from PGP 2021-23 batch, 43 students from PGPX batch of 2022-23, 16 students from PGPWE 2020-22, and 47 students from PGPWE 2021-23 batch were conferred with MBA degrees. The event was graced by Rajiv Chandrasekhar, Union Minister of State for Electronics and Information Technology and Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, as the chief guest through virtual mode, and Gaurav Swarup, Co-Chairman and Managing Director of Paharpur Cooling Towers Limited, as the guest of honor. While delivering the convocation address, Rajiv Chandrasekhar said that India has been fortunate to have been globally growing. While many countries are grappling with recession and other challenges, India continues to grow and emerge as a global leader. King of Bhutan, Jigme Khesar Namgyel Wangchuk today arrived in India on a 3-day visit. He will be accompanied by Minister of Foreign Affairs and External Trade Dr. Tandi Dorji and senior officials of Bhutan government. The visit is in keeping with the long-standing tradition of regular high-level exchanges between the two countries. During the visit, the King of Bhutan will meet President Draupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. J. Shankar and senior officials will call on the visiting dignitary. The visit would provide an opportunity to both sides to review the entire gamut of bilateral cooperation and to further advance the close bilateral partnership, including economic and development cooperation. Following up on the murder case of Pinkret Surong, yesterday the Jawai police again produced the 3 accused murderers in the district court for further investigation into the case. According to the police statement, the district court has granted 12 days of judicial custody. The police also added that the 3 accused in the murder of Pinkret Surong, Meban Talang, brother of the late I Love You Talang, who is the prime accused, Jimmy Kendat from Murap, and Sambun Dakhar from Minsngat, will be produced in court on the 14th of this month. And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 21.2 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 11.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 61%, while in the evening was 52%. Moderate rain and thunder shower is very likely to occur at many places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. Before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Modi inaugurates Diamond Jubilee celebrations of CBI in New Delhi and inaugurates the permanent office of CBI at Mao Diang. Indira Gandhi National Open University today held the 36th convocation at IGNOU Shillong Centre. Waiting for a response from the state government on the problems faced by the border residents, says Charles Marngar. And King of Bhutan Jigme Khesar Namgyel Wangchuk to embark on a 3-day visit to India. Well, viewers, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until we meet again, good night.